Hey guys! Okay, so today right now it is 1937 on a Wednesday, and I got this in the mail earlier today, and I'm just now coming home and getting to actually play with it. This isn't like a review or anything. I'm not trying to review it. I'm not trying to like analyze it and make an opinion on it and tell you guys to buy it or anything like that, or not to buy it. I don't want to do that. I just want to play with it. So that's really what I'm gonna do today, and I don't know what to call this. It's not a get ready with me because it's night, it's late, I'm not going anywhere. It's not a review or anything like that. Maybe I can just be the background noise to whatever you're doing. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. I thought this was cute though. Like, that's the sleeve and everything. I never saw the sleeve. Like, I've seen a lot of people, you know, show pictures of it and they never showed the actual sleeve. I didn't know it came in a sleeve, so it comes in a sleeve, which is kind of cool. And I thought the box was cool too because it's like a big picture of her, like one of her photo shoot photos. Looks really pretty on her. But yeah, so that's what this looks like if you're curious. I know everyone's already reviewed this. They've already, like, you know, showed you the ins and outs of it. So I'm not doing any of that, but these are really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. I really am surprised about the mirror. There's you, hi. I'm not gonna lie, when people were like making a bunch of hype over the mirror, I was kind of like, it's just a mirror. Like, what are you talking about? And honestly, I picked this up and I was like, oh damn, either I got some dirty ass mirrors or this one just like wants to point out every flaw on my face. Like, woo, I can see the wrinkles under my eyes. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm not a glitter person, but the colors looked really pretty and they looked approachable. Every time I get a palette, I always just swatch my arm, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel like people really made a big deal over the glitters, and the glitters are really pretty and unique. I really love the, what's it? I think that's Soothe. The Soothe glitter I think is my favorite, but I think my absolute favorite are the sequins. I don't know, I feel like people don't really talk about the sequins, and the sequins are actually really freaking cute. I really love them. They're really cool. So, kind of reminds me of what I have on right now, which is the Kaja eyeshadow. You can't really tell, probably because I'm overexposed on my camera, but it's fine. The metallics are pretty too, but I really like the sequins, honestly, out of everything. Honestly, I might just take my whole face off. Ooh, we looking pale. Just took all my tanner off. I'm gonna take off this glitter though. I don't want it on my hand. I knew it was gonna make a mess, but whatever. It's probably a really bad idea the more I think about it. Probably shouldn't have done that. Yep, just making it worse. Alright. Alright. Like, honestly though, how did Tati, does she still have the glitter on her from the photo shoot? Because I don't know how you get rid of it. It's like once it's there, it doesn't go away. Did she like exfoliate or something? Am I doing something wrong? Is there a secret to glitter? If there is, somebody please tell me, because I'm gonna have this all over me. Oh yeah. My hand is glistening. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too much concealer. Got a little excited there. Got a little excited. Take two. Okay, so this is what I kind of came up with. I think it came out okay. What do you think? I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I thought I would switch it up, but we'll just do the same on the other eye. So, and then I'm just going to take the Aura matte shade and pack that on this area right here, and then I'll go in with the metallic on this part. now I'm just going to take the matte Soothe shade. Now what I'm going to do is just take a shader brush, an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the same shade though and darken it by just packing it on. Now I'm just going to like soften it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Story, which is that warmer orange shade, and just slightly put it in there, you know. And now I'm going to do Ritual on a smaller blending brush and focus that on the outside to start making that halo. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black. It's gonna get better, I promise. It just looks hella messy right now because it is, so we gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna, I think, add a little orange back into my crease, and then I'm gonna cut my halo. So we'll see how that goes. And now I'm going to go in with Aura, the matte shade, to kind of set the concealer. So using like Soothe and Story to soften this out a little bit, just to make it a nicer blend. And then we'll go back in and add some shimmers on top. Okay, it still kind of looks like crap, but I promise you, I got this one to work. This should work too. I'm going to go in with Aura, the shimmer, or the metallic. Just pat that on. And now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take Soothe and use that on the outer portion. Okay, and just for fun, oh, and after I did the Soothe shade, I did go back in with Story just to help warm that up a little bit. Then went back in with the other shades just to make it blend. Go back and forth with your shades. I do it all the time, and that's how I feel like you get the best look. But I am going to go in with the Soothe and Aura glitter shades. I was just playing with it, and since I already did it on this eye, I need to do it on this eye, but I'll show you what I did with it. So really I put down like Soothe first, then I did Aura, and then kind of went back and forth. Now what I did is I went back in with the Aura Metallic and I packed it on top of it just to kind of make it lighter, because I realized that the glitter was a tad too dark for what I was wanting it to do. So that's why I ended up doing this. And see how it just like brings back the lightness in it? I don't know. I feel like it did something. Then I'm going to go back in with a little more of that Soothe. Story, my bad. Then I am going to take a little bit of Aura again, the matte version, and use that near my brow, and go back in with the metallic. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna be back with my face. How'd I do? Okay, so a little recap. Just went in with my foundation, put some butter bronzer on my cheeks, along with blush that I got from Clinique a long time ago, and then some highlighter, Rodeo Drive, and then I did use, what did I use? Oh, I used the Becca Dune lipstick, and then I used the liner Nude Truffle from NYX, and then threw on some eyelashes, and that's it. So I feel like if I look down you get a better idea. But yeah, this turned out pretty good in my opinion. I like it. I like the glitter on it. I think it was a nice touch. Just extra little sparkle, if you can see it. I don't know. Oh, and the lip gloss I put on top of this is the e.l.f. I think it's called Champagne. What is it? Hold on. Oh, there it is. This e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in Champagne Glam freaking works. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I have it on top of this to give it a bit of a glossy finish, and it's burning. I'm not like an actual makeup artist, but I love doing it on the side, and I do get clientele sometimes, and I really wanted to buy this because for it to be a neutral, like it's supposed to be a textured neutrals, I thought it was a really nice palette for me when it comes to like prom season, you know, or any kind of formal special event. I have a fur, yep, there we go. Popping up, you know, and you want your makeup done but nothing crazy. I feel like this is pretty good of a grab. If anything, these two are the most interesting ones to me. But yeah, I really like it. I can't wait to keep playing with this. It's really nice. I'm glad it's not too big or anything like that. But yeah, I hope this was nice to just watch or not. Sorry. But I had fun playing with this, even though I'm about to take it off after I take some pictures and then gonna do homework, because that's my life. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video.